A quick test of horn size and of other important bits of anatomy. From out of apparently nowhere come the bighorn sheep. The toughest of all Yellowstone's animals, they can stay here all winter on slopes and crags that the biting wind keeps clear of snow. Like elk, the males battle for females. Bighorn relish them. A quick test of horn size and of other important bits of anatomy, and the males get straight to the point of sorting out who is toughest. As the sound of their battles echoes across the Yellowstone wilderness, it marks the end of autumn. Winter is here.